is a water bill, and here you are told that look at this bill and tell this is a water bill. Here the name of the person is written. Here the date is written 11/7/2009 to 5/9/2009. This is the bill of 2 months. Here the amount of bill is written 350 of 2 months and 175 of 1 month. Some questions are there. From which office has this bill come? So you can say that the bill has come from Delhi Jal Board. Question number 2, do you get a water bill at home? Find out from where it is sent. We get water bill at home. We get a water bill at home. The bill has come from the Department of Water Supply. Why do you think, this is the question number 3, why do you think Delhi Sarkar, Government of Delhi, written under the Delhi Jal Board? Delhi Jal Board is also a part of Government of Delhi. That is why Delhi Sarkar or Government of India is written under Delhi Jal Board. Question number 4, in whose name is the bill? How much money do they have to pay for each month? The bill bears the name of Shri Muhammad Umar and Dr. Muhammad Shoaib. The bill amount is rupees 350 for 2 months and 175 for each month. The question number 5, do you have to pay for water? How much is the rate of water different in different colonies? Ask your elders. Yes, you can say yes, we have to pay for our drinking water. We have to pay near about 5 to 600 rupees, and there is no difference in rate in different colonies. Everywhere the rate of the water is same. It can be done. There are some groups that work hard to bring water to the people of different areas. They ask the elders about the water arrangement in their times. They rebuild the old lake and johars and also built new ones. Let us see how the group called Tarun Bharat Sangh helped Dharki Mai. So first of all, I want to tell you that there is a man whose name is Dr. Rajendra Singh, that helped to build over 800 water tanks in the 1000 village of Rajasthan. Let's see how this group may help Dharki Mai. This is Dharki Mai. She lives in a village in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. The women of the village used to spend the entire day looking after their home and animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals. In the summer, when the well dried up, they had to travel the village. Dharki Mai heard about this group and asked for help. Together, the people from the group and the village decided to make a lake, and the problems of food and water for animals is now less. People get more milk. They have started earning more. This was the complete chapter. Listen the explanation carefully. I will give you some question answers, so read and write properly.